Okay, let's start with the last day. We were like doing acid-base reactions, and also we have discussed how to identify acids and base using various indicators like phenolphthalein, litmus papers, pH papers, right? We were using a few, right? We tried to identify different, different indicators. So where these indicators used to change the color. So here in this table, you can see red litmus and blue litmus. But other than litmus, there are some other indicators too. pH paper is like it's basically allowing you to pH paper will allow you to pH paper will allow you to like see whether it's a base or acid and also the level of acidity. Right, I did that practical using our crocodile chemistry software. So using a pH paper, how we can recognize that. We have done that practical. Okay, then in like litmus is only basically changing like only indicate whether it's acid or base by changing. Like if blue litmus is changing to red, so what is that? Nil litmus රතු පාට වෙනවා නම් acid එකක්ද base එකක්ද? Right? Blue litmus, acid. It's acid, right? Then red litmus into blue,
base.
Base, right? No change of the color of both litmus, then it's like neutral, right? That we have discussed. And also, like these are some other indicators that you can use: shoe flower, boiled water, an extraction of giritulla flowers, and giritilla flowers, an extraction of nilkatarola flowers, and areca nut boiled water, and turmeric boiled water. These are basically some other, and red cabbage boiled water. These are some other indicators. You can check. Like I asked you to check whether, what are the color changes when you are using different indicators. So have you filled this table or not? Anybody did this experiment with the different indicator? So you have to use different indicators on these different solutions and see how color change happens. Have you done that? No? Oh yes. It seems not, right? So this will be interesting thing to see the color changes in different indicators. So do this, please, and try to fill this table as a homework and send it back to me. This is page number 66, right? Page number 66 fill karla. Okay. So these basically the sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, these are basically known as caustic soda. So which is used in soap production as well. And also biodiesel production can also be done with this. So, right, I will show these. These are basically reactions, different reactions, but those are not directly acid-base reactions. So, but these are bases. But right, we are about to discuss about the acid-base reactions now. How acids will react with bases and how the neutralization happens. Okay, here you can see other indicators like methyl orange, phenolphthalein, pH. These are some other indicators that you can use. We have learned about a lot of indicators now. So here you can see red litmus will be red with the acids, right? And then red litmus will be turn into blue with basically bases, right? And here you can see indicator and color with the acid and basic. If it is base, so red will be blue. If it is acid, blue will be red. And pH papers, so red, orange, and yellow colors based on the level of acidity, right? Then dark green, blue, and violet color again based on the level of base. So if it is like more like if the saturation or the strongness is high, then one color. If saturation strongness is low, another color. So in the middle, you have light green. And phenolphthalein is basically, it is also for acid, it is colorless, but if it is base, it's pink color. Methyl orange is red in acids and orange sorry, not orange, yellow in bases. Right? Likewise, so here these are the pH papers. You can see the pH level. Here the purple comes when the base is strong. When red comes when the acid is strong, and here green comes when it is neutral. So these are the indicator colors that you need to remember. So this is phenolphthalein powder. Phenolphthalein powder is basically you can mix a small amount with water and it will be colorless. But when you put it to acid also, it is colorless. But when you put it to base, it will indicate the color with purple color. Have you seen this incident? When there is an oil mark, in your dress or maybe in some clothes, when you try to wash that using soap, sometimes there will be colors. Have you seen that? Sabandala hodanakola color change.
No, sir.
නැත්තම් ඔර මේ ඉඳුල් පැල්ලම් පුතේ ඉඳුල් පැල්ලම් හොදනකොට සමහරවිට රෝස පාටම දැකලා තියෙනවා. when editors when you like ඔය සුදු ඇඳුම් වල එහෙම ඔයාලට ඕක වෙලා ඇති. සමහරට මොනවා හරි වැටුනොත් සබන් ගාලා හොදනකොට පාට වෙනස් වෙනවා. have you seen?
No, sir.
No. Oh my God. I think you are not washing clothes. Okay. Yes. Or okay. Some says yes. Some says no. Okay. Anyway, so because of this, මේකට හේතුව පුතේ අර කහ දැන් මෙතන තිබ්බනේ අපි turmeric ගන්නවා කියලා තිබ්බනේ මෙන්න මෙතන. මෙතන extraction එකක් විදියට turmeric boiled water. එතකොට මේක base වලදී මේ කහ පාට වැටුනම base එකකදී color change එකක් වෙනවා. මේ බලන්න. Right here, this image, see. මේ තියෙන කහ, right? Turmeric. මේ ඉඳුල් නැත්නම් මේ කෑම වල කහ තියෙන හින්දා තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ එන්නේ. තෙල් වලටදී මේ කහ හින්දා තමයි මේක ඉන්නේ. ඉතින් මේ වැටුණ ඇඳුමක් හොදන්න යද්දී අපි තමයි මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ මතුවෙන්නේ. The connection is very, very slow. Don't know why. Okay, here you can see when it is neutral or acid, no color change, right? It's yellow. දැන් කහ පාට දැන් මොන ඇඳුමේ ගෑවිලා තියෙනවා. දැන් ඔයා සබන් දාලා හොදලා soap is a base නේ. සබන් දාලා හොදනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේ කහ පාට තවත් තද පාට වෙනවා. Right? Especially when turmeric and lime. Turmeric with the lime it I think yeah, now you can see, sorry, I think there was a connection error. Now you can see when it is like when what I said is base. When it is mixed with the base, this turmeric, when it is mixed with base, so it will turn into some other color. ඒ හින්දා තමයි මේ ඇඳුම් වල තියෙන කිලිටි පැල්ලම් සමහරලාට යවන්න මේ තියෙන ඉඳුල් පැල්ලම් යවන්න සබන් දාගත්තොත් අපිට වැඩේ සුදු ඇඳුම් වල එහෙම විශේෂයෙන්ම මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ තව වැඩි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So that can be a problem here because this turmeric is a kind of indicator. Turmeric is a kind of indicator that you can use because it change color based on the bases and acidity and bases. Okay, so that we have discussed. Let's move to the next. And methyl orange powder is also another indicator similar to, this is not turmeric, but it is a different one. But it with like methyl orange with acid will be reddish color, it will be red color, but with base and also the solution, you can see it's not a big significant change, but with the acid, it will show some other color. So likewise, with the acids and base, these indicators, with the acids and base, these indicators will display different colors. And what you need to do is actually this part, you need to do various experiments with these acids and base with different indicators. Let me move to my experimental lab soon. I'm going to use my experimental lab setup that we have used last day. And let me join in the class. It's in the other computer. Okay, this was the one that we have done last day with different acids and bases. So I have used the phenolphthalein indicator paper and litmus paper. So then litmus paper and pH paper, right? Those are the papers that I have used here. Let me take a new practical. Go to save that. And here you can search, you can get the other things. Like this one shows, this one shows indicator paper is pH paper, litmus paper is also there. So you can get these chemicals. I will tell how to install this software in your computer. Did I explain this last day? How to install this in your computer? Hello? Did I tell you this last day, Sanogi? මම last day කියලා දුන්නද මේක? Install කරගන්න හැටි? නැද්ද? No. Right. Okay, I will tell you now. Right. Don't worry, I will tell you now how to install this in your computer and get these practicals. Okay, then let's use some acids. I'm going to use sulfuric, hydrochloric, nitric, phosphoric, ethanoic. Then I will take some beakers. Oh, sorry, I will take some beakers from glassware section. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then indicator papers. Let's put sulfuric to this one, HCl to this one, nitric to this one, phosphoric to this one, and then okay. After that, I can check this with indicators. And here, these are the universal indicators. Here I have phenolphthalein, then methyl orange. So all these things are there, right? That's why I said that you can virtually do these practicals alone. අනින් මේක virtually කරන්න පුළුවන් ඒවා හොයාගන්නේ නැතුව උනා. හරි අපි phenolphthalein බලමු. Let's try with the phenolphthalein. So this is how the indicator moves. When I put phenolphthalein, so the bases will be bases නම් ඔන්න දම් පාට එනවා. දැන් මේ acid වලට phenolphthalein දැම්මා කියලා ලොකු මේව එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. This is what the methyl orange. Methyl orange අනිත් පැත්තට. Methyl orange in acid it is red color, but bases and the neutral stage it is not changing the color. Thymol blue, this is another one. This has a white color range. In acids and bases, both it indicates its color. So then litmus, that you know. This is what the litmus is. So let's go to these are the paper indicators and solution indicators. Paper indicators කියලා කියන්නේ litmus papers අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්, litmus papers ගන්න පුළුවන්, pH papers ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් මේකේ pH දාලා බලමු අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම. You can see the acidity. pH එකක් දාන්න මේකට. ඒක තමයි අපි කරේ. මේ ඔක්කොම එකම acidity එක තියෙන්නේ. You can see them. Phosphoric වල පොඩ්ඩක් අඩුයි acidity එක. ඊළඟට මේකේ තවත් අඩුයි.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can see in the chemical section these acids basically this ethanoic acid is less acidic and also this phosphoric is less acidic. They part all pain on the methane ethanoic වල ethanoic වල දැම්මම මෙච්චරම එන්නේ නැහැ කලර් එක. හැබැයි මේකම අපි දාමුකෝ මේකේ sulfuric එකේ කලර් එක වැඩි. sulfuric එකේ දාපු එක මම ඕන මේ ethanoic එකේ දාලා පෙන්නන කලර් එක අඩුයි. Sulfuric is strong acid, but ethanoic is not. Phosphoric වලත් එහෙමයි. Phosphoric වලත් එච්චරම acidity එක නැහැ. Acidity එක අඩුයි. මේ phosphoric. But ethanoic වලට වැඩිය වැඩි. Sulfuric වලට වැඩිය අඩුයි. Likewise, you can do the experiments and see these acids and how acid and bases react. How acid and bases work. You can do this experiment and see. ඒ වගේම bases වලටත් ඔයාලට කරන්න පුළුවන්. Acids වලට කරනවා වගේම bases වලටත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Now let's see how to install this software in your computer. How to download and install this in your computer. Let's see that now. Then මෙතන තියෙන මට කියන්න බැරුණා තව පාතට ගියාම තියෙනවා පුතේ මේකේ මේවා solutions ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Indicators වල තියෙන solutions වල තියෙනවා. Can you share your screen? Can anybody share your screen? I will tell you how to install this. Hello? Anybody who like to share the screen? No one? Oh, you have installed. Okay, good. Amit, show me the screen, please. Amit, show me the screen. Amit. Okay, good, Amit. You can do the practicals now. Anyone else need help to install this? Okay, Jeff. First of all, you need to go to your Google. Amit, if you have link, how did you download? If you have the link, you can share. Share to the chat. Then others can follow that. Or you have to search like crocodile, space, crocodile, crocodile, C-R-O-C-O, crocodile, C-R-O-C-O. Crocodile don't need any. crocodile chemistry. Crocodile chemistry. 605. Crocodile chemistry 605. Chemistry. Chemistry CHEMI. Chemistry CHEMI. CHE. 605. හරි එතකොට ඒකේ යන්න ඉන්ෆෝම් එකකින් ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයිද නැහැ. Not sure whether you can get from that. Let's see. බලමු පොඩ ඉන්න. zip එකක් ගත්තා නම් ලේසියි. Is it there? Okay. Go down and see. බලන්න කියලා බලන්න installation link එකක් තියෙනවා download. නෑ එතන නෑ. උඩ. ඒක advertisement එක. ඔන්න ඔබේ තේවල තියෙනවා මේ link එක. Same නේද? Same link එක. download එකට යන්න බලන්න. second tab එකට download. ඔන්න ඒක. The link is not available. Go back. Link එකේ වල තියෙනවා පුතේ මෙයා මේකෙන් යනවා මෙත් ඒවල තියෙනවා. Same link. Same link නේ. හරි අපි මෙහෙම කරමු crocodile chemistry. යන්න බලන්න ගිහලා බලන්න. නෑ එතන රිවිව් එකට එහා පැත්තේ තියෙන download. link machine එනවනේ පුතේගේ. link machine එනවනේ ආයෙත් පිටිපස්සට යන්නකො. go to Google again. Go to Google. Please go to Google. And there search ඕකට පස්සේ zip කියලා ගහන්න. space එකක් තියලා zip කියලා ගහන්න. crocodile chemistry 605 ඊට පස්සේ ZIP zip. enter කරන්න. You can click and download this. Right. And after downloading, go to the file. And install it. Still downloading it. Share එක අයින් කරාදවා disconnect වුණාද? What has happened? Okay, anyone else wish to learn how to download and install it? Anyone else? No one. That means you have the download. Ne? ඔයාලඟ තියෙනවා ඇතිනේ නේද ඒකද? You got the download. What has happened? Like nobody is responding today. Like can't you hear me properly? මාව ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද ඔයාලට?
ඇහෙනවා සර්.
එහෙනම් මොකද share කරන්නවත් නැත්තේ? ඕනේ නැද්ද download කරන්න? අනිත් download කරාද?
ඔව් සර්.
install කරාද ඒකලා? උදව් ඕනේ නැද්ද? හරි. හැමෝටම මේ software එක ඕන පුතේ. දැන් මෙතන ගහට practicals කරන්න මම කියන්නේ මේ software එක අරන් කරන්න කියලා. එතකොට මං හිතනවා download කරලා ඇති කියලා. දැන් මම Jeff එකේ download කරා. එතකොට Omid එකේ Omid දාගෙන තියෙනවා. Site have you downloaded? Jinuka? Tisandi? If not, tell me. Okay. Installation කරලා ඉවර කට්ටිය පොඩක් අත උස්සන්න. Those who have done installations, can you raise your hand? Download කරලා install කරලා ඉවරයි. Jeff ඉවරයි කියලා කියනවා. with ඉවරයි. Only two. Side ඉවරයි. හරි. Jinuka, Sanoli, Tisandi. Jinuka, Sanoli and Tisandi. All right, okay. නිකමට හරි අර මේකටත් data දාගන්න පුතේ zoom විතරක් දාගන්න එපා. මේ මොකද දැන් ඔය normal වැඩ ටික කරගන්න පොඩි data card එකක් හරි දාගන්න. Okay, so the answers, let's go to the answer section. Which answer contain only acidic substances? ඔගොල්ලෝ දීලා තියෙන answer එක 3. Is it 3? Answer 3. බලමු answer 3 එක මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? Answer 3 is vinegar, lemon, tamarind. Lemon soap වල නෑනේ. Lime, common salt නෑ. Vinegar, lemon, tamarind. Common salt, vinegar, lemon. Salt වල නෑනේ. Yes, third one is the answer correct. Second question. Turns red litmus into blue. Red litmus blue කරන්නේ කවුද? It should be a base. Base එකක් විදිහට අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් lime water. Second one. Number 2. Lime water turns red litmus into blue. Number 3, 4 and 5. Please send the answers. 3, 4, 5. Monday one. 3, 4, 5. Please send the answers. Question number 3, 4 and 5. An indicator that is used in laboratory is sodium hydroxide is not indicator, methyl orange is indicator. Yes, methyl orange is indicator. Second one. Second one, methyl orange. Next, What is the color of pH papers found in laboratory? What is the color of pH paper found in laboratory? Yes. What is the color?
Blue.
pH papers? Yes.
Red.
Yellow.
It's something closer to yellow. It's something closer to yellow, right? So pH papers here. So you buy that.
Red.
Red. Red නෙමෙයි පුතේ.
Orange.
Huh? Orange? Orange වගේ yellow එකක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. මේ වගේ. හරි. ඒක අර brown paper පාට වගේ orange yellow එකක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. yellow orange වගේ yellow එකක්. yellow කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. But not orange මත් නෙවෙයි orange වගේ yellow එකක් තමයි. Something like this. Okay. එතකොට මෙතන තියෙනවෙන් yellow blue red violet නේ. එතකොට yellow තමයි ගන්න. What is the solution that turns phenolphthalein into pink? Phenolphthalein pink කරන්නේ මොකෙන්ද? Phenolphthalein. So which one will turn phenolphthalein into pink?
Sodium hydroxide.
Yes. It is. Something should be base, නේ? Base එකක් නේ. Base එකක් නම් sodium hydroxide. Okay, three containers. Last one. Three containers names ABC contain an acid, base, and neutral solution. The following table shows the resulting colors of the red litmus and the blue litmus when they dipped into solution. Blue එක red වෙනවා C එකෙන් කියන්නේ C එක acid එක. Red එක blue වෙනවා B එකෙන් කියන්නේ B එක red එක blue වෙනවා ඒ කියන්නේ B එක base එක. So which solution is acid properties? Which solution shows acid properties? Yes. Which solution shows acid properties? Is it solution A, B, or C? Hello? Which solution shows acidic properties? Acid වෙන්නේ මොනවාද පුතේ? Yes? Cannot hear you. අහගෙනද ඉන්නේ? Side, yes. What is your answer, Side?
Which soil test?
Which solution shows the acidic properties? ඕකද acidic properties පෙන්වන්නේ? A ද B ද C ද?
Solution 3. Solution C.
Solution C, yes. Which solution shows basic properties? Base. Which solution shows the base properties? Base එකක්.
Solution B.
Solution
B.
Solution B. Okay. Which solution shows the neutral properties? Which solution shows the neutral properties?
Solution A.
Solution A.
Solution A.
If one vessel contains water, what is the what is the letter given for the solution? If one vessel contain water, වතුර තියනවලු එක vessel එක. එතන මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා. In which letter? Yes. Which one? වතුර මොකක්ද? වතුර කියන්නේ neutral ද acid ද base?
Solution A.
Solution A. Yes, excellent.
Neutral.
Okay. Yes, solution A. So with that, we can conclude the lesson. Okay, we'll move to the next one, which is animal diversity, next day. And up to now, we have discussed it up to here. Is there any doubts you want to ask related to the acid and bases? Any doubts that you want to ask? Okay, it seems everything is clear there. So let's move to the animal diversity lesson. Next day, I will be discussing that next week. Then good night.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Goodbye.